Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to log out of your account in Fiverr. Whether you're wrapping up your work for the day or switching between multiple accounts, knowing how to properly sign out ensures your account stays secure and your information remains private. Let's walk through this simple process step by step. First things first, open your web browser and navigate to fiverr.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and sign into your account. Enter your login credentials to access your Fiverr dashboard. This will bring you to the main interface where you can manage all your freelance projects, messages, and settings. Now, let's say you're done using Fiverr for the day. Maybe you've finished communicating with clients, completed your deliverables, or simply want to take a break. This is when you'll want to properly log out to keep your account secure, especially if you're using a shared or public computer. Head to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll notice your profile icon sitting there. It's typically a small circular image that represents your account. Click on this profile icon and a drop-down menu will appear with various options related to your account settings and navigation. From this drop-down menu, look for the option that says Sign Out. It's usually positioned towards the bottom of the menu, making it easy to spot. Go ahead and click on Sign Out. This action will immediately log you out of your Fiverr account and redirect you to the main Fiverr homepage or login screen. And that's it. You've successfully logged out of your Fiverr account. This simple step helps protect your account from unauthorized access and ensures that your personal information and ongoing projects remain secure. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.